Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Fabric, and today I have the House of Wizardry crate again. It's come around really quick, so this is the October one. This is their monthly box, so we should expect a t-shirt, a pin, a mystery item, and something else that I've forgotten. Let's get into it and have a look. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have this little thing, which I'm assuming is going to be the pin, and oh wow, cool. Oh, I love that. Okay, so it's one of these things. I will show you close up at the end, but basically, give me a second. Okay, you see above my head, oh, sorry about the ring light showing. Above my head there's a pointy hand, and that's what it is, but it's in silver. Cute. I'm sorry about the lighting today. It is pitch black. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and yet you'd think it was 8 o'clock at night, honestly. So we have one of these. Yeah, cute. I love that. That is their best pin yet for me, although I quite like last month's. All right, let's see what else we've got. There should be a potion in here. If I can get it undone. Okay, cool. This is what we have. Look at this thing. Okay, there's a skeleton in there. In fact, yeah, it's just one whole skeleton. Look at the beautiful seal on it. That is cool. And there's a little skeleton charm as well. Very, very cute. And that says Dylan and Caractacus specimen. Okay, that is a cool item and I love it. All right, that's better. I've got the ring light out the picture. Okay, so next, the t-shirt. It's actually Dylar and Caractacus. That is cute. It's a staff t-shirt. And on the other side, it says Antiques and Oddities. I like this very much. Oh, wow. Okay, it's a shame that it's yet another black t-shirt because this is the third one in a row that we've had that's been black. And if you've got cats like me or dogs, pets of pretty much any kind that have fur that's shed, black is just a nightmare, frankly. But I really like this one. This is a really good t-shirt. Their last one was awesome as well. The first one I didn't care for. It wasn't my style, but this is nice, as was the last one. Okay, and then finally, I'm guessing, what the heck? This is the mystery item, I'm assuming. So let me get it open. Okay, that was quite a task, actually, getting all the blinking bubble wrap off. And there was cling film, or what you might call saran wrap, around the top as well. They weren't taking any chances. So, but look, how cute is that? So we've got yet another blinking potion. So this is the Cursed Opal Necklace Antidote. Don't much care for the label. It looks a bit meh, if you ask me. But and on the back it says not for consumption display, only Victoria McLean, who I assume is the creator or designer of the item. The inside potion is beautiful and swirly, and I very much like this. This is super nice, as is the seal on the top. Nice one. Okay, so let me show you close up all of these items and the cheat sheet. All right then, so here's the t-shirt. What I like about this one is that it actually seems to be properly printed into the fabric rather than just being a transfer that's stuck on the top. I might be wrong about that, but it's not that. You know, the last two that we've had have been those sort of 90s transfers that look like they're going to peel off in the wash. This one doesn't, so that is cool. And I like the fact that it's front and back. That's cool. That's nice. So here's the cheat sheet, and it says, designed by House of Wizardry, the most famous... Hi, this is Loki. You may not have met him before. Okay, well, anyway, it says... the most famous shop in Dark Alley is owned by these two. Dylar and Caractacus are their first names. All right. Then the exclusive potion. So this is the Cursed Opal Necklace Antidote by Victoria McLean. Once cured, the attached necklace should be worn to protect the wearer from future curses. Now, I love this whole idea. Using this as a necklace, I don't think so. I mean, you can actually see the clasps in there. So it looks pretty cheap. It would for sure turn your neck green. So maybe for a child, I guess they might like it. But yeah, for an adult, probably not. But the idea is super, isn't it? I very much like this as well. That is cute. And then the pointing finger pin. That is such a favourite item for me. I really love it. It says by Jim Clift and represents the pointing finger on the sign into Dark Alley. And then, last but not least, the exclusive item. underneath Loki's tail, is this one by Nin's Apothecary. And they've traditionally, so far at least, done all of the potions and ingredients for these wizardry crates. And do you know what? I love them. This is probably my favourite item in this box. They do excellent work. Look at that. That is so cute. When I first heard it rattling around, I honestly thought something was broken, but no. This is how it's meant to be, and it is very cool indeed, and so appropriate for October and Halloween. So yeah, this one has my heart, and I think they are amazing. I will look them up online actually and see if they what else they do. Interesting. All right, so that is this month's box. Next month's theme is Seekers and Keepers, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that's all about. Okay, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody. You like it? You like it too? I completely understand.